The whole thing just disappeared!
He used his jutsu!
Oh, he's going to...
If you want to join us on Patreon, go check it out for early access to exclusive content and uncut and censored reactions. You also support the monetization of channel a lot and motivate me to continue with this work and project. So if you are interested, the link is in the description. Always thank you to my patrons.
Oh yeah, I read the title and I'm not gonna lie, that's what you said.
Our girl healing Naruto?
It was like that when it was all crouching and like,
Yeah, war!
I don't know if you noticed the details, it has like a Rinnegan pattern on the eye.
This is so weird.
I used to hate mercenaries.
Is that like his tongue?
I have no idea. But now I actually like it.
This thing's an abomination, man.
Is what pops like in
Is that mean everything's coming together before? Oh, that's like that.
This thing
This
is
is one stage away. Final transformation sounds like it's done for us.
Dude.
Alright, B, let's get it. I do feel like, you know, the reanimator thing will come in like this. Probably last second is lunch.
It's that tall.
You're missing the
And now it's
I didn't get the 98.
I'm sorry.
You would think like that. You'd be like, that's it, you're done.
I can't believe they're just sitting there. Oh my god, I was
It's
right
been a while
away.
since we've seen
I don't
something.
think there's any more
She is real, I guess.
Only Naruto, like only that sort of power level, like Jinchuriki, so Hokage type shit. Only people like
No.
I mean, yeah.
don't be alliance. Come on.
Let's go.
That's what it takes for you guys to make
Just don't want that thing. That's what it is.
That's what I'm wondering.
I'll sacrifice ourselves.
You know, like off center, pick out one of the legs again or something.
Which I know a lot you hate it sometimes. Oh? I don't see it. I didn't like that one episode.
Okay. Wait, what, you gonna make everybody at once? Like, try to save us?
Yeah, compound surely, right?
Okay, so it's like slowing down and delayed a little bit. I also
Boss, like, under
That's like
pressure.
their biggest strength is the sheer volume of
Sounds like that.
Master B. Everyone else is getting revenge. I want you to get that shit on tail feast bodies.
It's just introductory.
That's the only thing you can do.
Might be too powerful. Put the chocolate out. There's a chance.
Exactly. I like it.
The parents.
Hey, you got that, you know?
done anything like this before.
It ain't real, bro.
These two finally getting this moment here.
Yeah.
If you're gonna be in a genjutsu world, you might as well just be dead.
What are you talking about?
That whole man.
I mean, I'm not disagreeing that the world's fucked up, bro.
His face, he's just done.
That's just life.
Learn a thing or two.
Hey, yo.
He has changed.
If we ain't gonna give up on our comrades, hey, learn by your own words, Obito. Come on.
It's really symbolic when he's literally talking about the hole in his heart. And Obito literally has a hole where his heart should be. You know?
I love how they just on the side.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, man. If they can get through this,
Dude, that's pretty
the
sick.
Allied forces, the Shinobi world will be forever changed. There's no way they could go back to large-scale wars after what they've been through to protect each other.
How are they gonna stop?
Oh!
Let's get somebody.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Is it going to slow it down?
Oh, it's slowing it down.
Oh, that shit. That shit. That shit ridiculous. I don't. No power. You don't see inside that thing. What do you expect?
Oh, here it comes.
Maybe Naruto?
Who's coming in? Who's coming in? What? How? I didn't know what you were talking about.
Oh my god.
How?
Oh, is he gonna hit him with that?
Is this the line? Yeah!
Oh my god, I'm saying that right now.
And
Oh, man.
come on, B! Wait, what?
What?
Hey, who fucking what Hokage did that? Is that Naruto? Is that Tommy Robert? It could be either one.
The whole thing just disappeared!
He used his jutsu.
Oh, he's been surprised.
Teleportation.
Why is Naruto not even surprised?
I would have been like,
What? He's just like...
I'm shocked that his response was so like calm.
That is crazy. Oh shit. That is badass as fuck.
Hokage's so strong, what the hell?
That's so cool. Oh, because of him. I forget. He can like...
Said it like it's nothing, like this was just another day at the office.
That is so goated. Like, no shit. Just...
He caught Kiba.
Guys, you should be grateful.
Well, he did warn you.
Are you joking me?
Yeah, that's better than
Back to like all the good times.
Oh, the other one's here as well?
Where are the rest?
Are we gonna like hug it out or what's up?
Talk. Who are you?
He literally just said,
Is my face not carved on top of your village?
Are you?
Oh, but they don't know.
Oh, fuck no. No. Don't.
Shut up, dude. He knocked us right there.
I know, but he's always like so...
He better not. Sakura better not be Boruto. Oh shit, is it?
Does it because no one reanimated?
I mean...
Isn't it written in
Maybe he left the stuff, you know?
Although it seems like you knew.
Nah, dude, Jesus.
Maybe he was. Oh, he could sense it. Okay, I was gonna say. I mean, you could maybe guess it.
Oh, you know that everybody's like, oh, this is actually gonna go crazy, isn't it?
How? Stop freaking
I'm
out
excited
right now.
for people to see Orochimaru.
Alright, what's up, guys? A little bit slow.
Oh, they're gonna be like, what?
Hey, what's up, man? Long time no see.
Oh my god.
Orochimaru shows up.
Yeah. Could you imagine seeing that?
Dude, imagine being them.
That must be crazy. That would be like seeing fucking the previous presidents or something.
Okay, show Madara.
Well, the difference is a lot of them have seen them
What's
alive,
Madara's reaction?
especially Hiruzen and.
Okay, we don't need to keep talking about it. Like,
The Shinobi from the
Right here.
God, everyone's gonna say Everyone's like, no way.
Lord Orochimaru.
we also
That's a whole
died
long
yet.
other story entirely.
You would feel like he's probably going to win this now. You would start to feel
Fully
like
bricked up for Hashirama being dead.
They're lagging behind a bit.
you can tell it's something.
Oh god.
His
He just cannot wait. Oh my god.
Look how excited he is.
Trigger.
Not right now, motherfucker! Get out of
Madara
here!
just kills the 10 tails just so he can fight.
This gives us a big chance that you can deal with.
Could you imagine?
Shirama! Shut up!
Are you guys really gonna take on that?
Your friend. Oh. Why is that making me kind of emotional?
No, he was talking about I'm joking. Your friend will be here soon.
Oh, I didn't even think about them two.
Get off the bat! Huh? I thought you would have it like.
Oh, shit! You can do that? Show me how it's done, Pop.
No training, nothing. Like,
Fucking hell!
He looks insane. That's insane. We've never seen him do that.
So he's able to still harness?
Is he also using his?
That's what I'm saying.
is he just that guarded that he hits off the bat?
I am so confused.
Oh, is it because it was sealed in there with him?
So he was
Back
here.
in the 90s?
Do you think that deep down Kurama
Did he
knew
take some of
this
his
whole
chakra?
situation that you kind of like respected Minato for the choice?
Like, is that why he can use it? Because
I think he did, because you can't see.
Wait, yeah.
Even if it's only dead himself.
Oh, he has half the
I can feel
power.
the part of it in him.
That's insane. He has half the power.
I
What?
had a question where it was.
Now he's gonna give everyone in.
Oh, we about to get to work then, aren't we?
Dude, I'm getting goosebumps. He looks just like Naruto.
Fucking wild.
Yo, this looks
That's
nuts.
Naruto. That's fucking Naruto.
Oh, they are! Yeah!
Did they invent this or is this like?
Oh no, we've seen people do this before.
So I got it locked in. It kind of reminds me of Orochimaru on the roof back in the series.
Add on? The fact that he goes save mode like instantly is crazy.
Oh!
Damn, is that going to be enough?
Anything sage related?
Hey, they gotta keep it down for a minute. Sure. Please buy a time for it.
Well, so just have to have the right amount of numbers, right?
Yeah.
Be alive at this
Who would have created that like that concept?
It just kept getting better.
So compared to them, yeah, get up, go.
Bro, I'm gonna get a stroke.
See? Fucking just loyal.
She was never his to begin with.
You sure took your time getting here, Sasuke.
Is that you?
The fucking guitar.
Dude!
That's what the time. You know what? You're gonna stand here.
Man, this is
Your
intense.
case here.
Yeah, I know.
Like an outlaw.
His facial expression.
You're like, tell me, like, Sakura, what you doing on purpose? No, you wanna like at least get rid of
But I've decided to protect the hidden village.
Is it in there or is it just
Become Hokage?
Oh! I call it!
That's not what I said.
Like, what?
Yeah, but surely that's a joke, right?
like what you've done in the past?
Naruto's like, I have been working my entire life.
Right?
It was a joke?
Don't do it anyway?
What?
So I will become Hokage.
No.
And change the village.
I fucking spanked the shit out of them. After getting all that. It's kind of double my ass. Sasuke's on our side now.
Dad, I said it.
He knows that it's gonna be him. It has to be him.
Okay, I get
This
what
is what Naruto's your competition wrestler. Like, who's gonna win?
Let's speed it up.
Bro,
You're the bad shit,
it's
bro.
doing, guys. I'm great, like I'm grateful that you guys don't want the title, but what the hell? Spit it out. Yo, Naruto kind of you know,
You're gonna get through the wall first.
stronger than me. I'll still be it, bro. I love it.
Just take it down.
Say less, dude.
Man, I'm
Nervous.
nervous.
Looking at them. Hands up.
Sasuke, he said.
I cannot.
Oh, you are killing.
What?
Ooh!
7 is faster than 7.
Why do I feel like I'm about to cry?
Let's be real.
I feel like I'm about to cry for some reason, just seeing them together.
Well,
No.
I know the show means a lot.
please.
You were waiting all this time for this? Bro, come on. You should have done that way earlier.
But if they do, I will be so happy.
This is so high.
Come on.
This episode is.
It is crazy.
Okay.
Oh my god, it makes me feel so
Dude,
happy.
this is so awesome.
Even though I know it's not proper
Like
like
full
this
circle.
other stuff.
But that now, I mean, I'll also keep
Oh my god, it's so oh my god. That genuinely
If you're interested in early and uncut reactions of these videos a month ahead, joins us on Patreon. The link is in the description.